If your Asus Armoury Crate is not saving RGB profiles, you're not alone. This frustrating issue prevents custom lighting from sticking, but we've got the definitive solutions right now. First, Method 1, update Armoury Crate and its drivers. Open Armoury Crate, head to the Update Center, install everything pending, then restart your PC. Keeping your software current often resolves underlying bugs that prevent profiles from saving correctly. If updating doesn't resolve your RGB profile woes, the problem often lies with system permissions, leading us to Method 2, check user account control and permissions. Temporarily lower your UAC settings, then run Armoury Crate as an administrator. This ensures the application has the necessary access to write and save your profile data. Still encountering issues? A deeper software conflict might be at play, which is where Method 3 comes in. Reinstall Armoury Crate services. Completely uninstall Armoury Crate and all its associated components via Windows settings, restart, then download and install a fresh copy. This cleans out any corrupted installation files. If you've tried everything else and your custom RGB settings still won't save, a corrupted cache is likely the culprit for this Armoury Crate glitch. Let's tackle that with Method 4, clear Armoury Crate cache and reset settings. Close Armoury Crate, then navigate to your app data folder and delete the Asus folder within. Restart your PC and Armoury Crate will rebuild its cache, hopefully fixing your profile saving problems permanently. Get your RGB profiles back under control today.